If your ChatGPT sidebar suddenly goes blank and all of your chat history disappear, I honestly thought I broke something. For me, it happened right after I pasted a really large TXT file on the ChatGPT. The message went through, but after every single conversation on the left side was just gone. Even opening and closing the sidebar doesn't bring anything back, so before issuing my site were deleted, I wanted to rule out the browser first, so I clicked the little site information icon next to the ChatGPT URL. Then I opened the cookies and site data. From there, I clear the stored site data and open up the manage on device site data and delete everything for the chatgpt.com. And I just refresh the page, and if your team suddenly switch from dark mode to blind mode, that's actually expected. It just means the browser cleared your SAP setting after signing back in. I just ran into something even weirder. Instead of loading the ChatGPT, I got an authentication error. At this point, I had two possibilities: either my browser was broken or ChatGPT itself was having a bad day. So instead of guessing, I grabbed my phone, I opened the ChatGPT app, just type a simple hi and waited, and nothing. It just keeps saying sending, and a couple of minutes later, there it was. The server is having a problem. That completely changed what I thought was happening. The missing sidebar wasn't necessarily caused by my browser anymore. It looked much more like a ChatGPT server was struggling. So instead of clearing more settings, I just wait. About 20 minutes later, I refreshed the page, and every conversation come back exactly where it was. So here's what I learned. If clearing your browser doesn't fix it, that's great. If it doesn't, check your ChatGPT on another device before assuming you have lost your set. If both computer and your phone are acting the same way, it's probably not you, it's probably the server. One last thing I check every once in a while is my ChatGPT storage. Most of mine was filled up with the generated images. I cleaned up the one I didn't need anymore. Now I can't promise that this fixed missing set history, but it does keep everything organized and help avoiding running into the storage limit later. Hopefully this saves you from spending an hour trying to randomly fix like I did.